Today, I'll teach you how to convert numbers from a smaller base, example base 8, to a bigger base 10. Okay? Question is, change 107 in base 8 to base 10, to a base 10 number. Okay, that's my solution. I write my solution here. First start, I write my solution. I carry this number down as usual. I carry it down 107 in base 8 to base 10, base 10. Okay, I'll start solving. What do? I will expand this number in the power of its base, which is base 8, thereby changing it to base 10. Once I expand it to the power of its base, I will evaluate, I'll change it to base 10. I'll go like this. I'll start with this one. I say 1 times 8, this 8, plus 0 now, 0 times the same 8, okay, plus finally 7 times the base, which is base 8. At this junction, what do? I assign powers to these bases. I start with this 8. I start with 0. 0, I give it 0. The second 8, I give it 1. The third 8, which is the final one, I give it 2. Next, I evaluate these bases with these powers. I start like this. I write down 1 times 8 raised to the power 2, which means 8 times 8 is 64. 64. Put my plus, that's 0 times 8 raised to the power 1, which means 8 one time is still 8. Plus, I come to this side, write the 7 times 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. I always said it, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this one will be 7 times 1. This 8 raised to the power 0 become 1. So 7 times 1. Okay? So what next? I multiply out. I still start from this end. I say 1 times 64 still gives me 64. Put my plus. 0 times 8 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. My plus there. 7 times 1 is 7. Okay? 7. Finally, I add up. Finally, I add up the numbers. I start with this one. I say 64 plus 0 gives me 64 still. Plus 7 gives me 71. 71. In base what now? In base 10. I have converted 107 in base 8 to a number in base 10, and it is 71. So in base what? In base 10. Base 10.